In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam content file locked error message. So to fix this, you first need to head over to the start menu and search for network reset, and then click on network reset and press reset now. Then select yes, and once you've done that, head back over to the start menu, search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run as administrator. In this window, type in netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Then you can close out of this window and you'll need to restart your computer. Once your computer's restarted, head over to the Steam shortcut on your desktop, and we're going to right click on this and select run as administrator. Then once you have the Steam application running, click on the Steam icon in the top left hand side, select settings, click on downloads, and underneath the download region, change this to the closest region to your location. So for me, that's going to be London, and then you can close out of this window and check to see if that's now solved your issue. If it's still not working, you can also try disabling any antiviruses that are currently installed on your PC. So you can see down here that I have a Avast antivirus currently running, so I can simply right click on this and temporarily disable it, and sometimes this can also fix the error message. And that's it guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.